Hello everyone, my name is Nicholas with a student number of 203073. In this video, my team will present to you about our journal, which is Artificial Intelligence in Supermarket Cashier System. Without further ado,
Intelligence is
let's
a
get started.
digital technology where a computer or machine can have a human mind. This technology can do work that humans should be doing. At this time, every aspect of technology has made the best use of artificial intelligence technology and has changed the basic part of human life. People need this technology in companies and even households. Artificial intelligence has success in penetrating all sectors of society. Everyone uses this technology in some way. In addition, this technology can be modified for various groups, age, and industrial sectors.
Okay, next is theoretical basis. Technology. Technology is generally known as a machine that helps everyday human activities. The word technology itself comes from two Greek words, namely techni, which means expertise, and logic, which means science. These two words, when combined, means expertise and knowledge. According to Martono, 2012, page 276, technology is a knowledge about doing something or how to make something. It can also be interpreted as the ability to do something with high value, both selling value and its benefits. Next is information system. In general, information system is a combine of the word system and information. Systems means a set of a component that are combined to achieve one goal. The word system is come from Latin, which is systema. The meaning is unity, while information come from Latin, which is informationem. The meaning is good, idea, or outline. Information systems are also known as set of hardware or and software specifically designed to convert data into digital to help carry out control and planning. With the existence of an information system, a company can see economic opportunities in applying technology and can be helped in ensuring the quality of human resource. Next is digital technology. Digital technology is one of the type of technology where how to operate it no longer requires human labor, but rather automatically using a computer system. Basically, digital technology process all forms of information as numerical values so that can be read by a computer. One of the example is a cell phone, where when calling a digit that is sent to a receiver somewhere using radio wave, the recipient telephone then converts the received numbers back into sound that can be heard by the recipient. So that can data transmission occurs. Data transmission is the process of sending data from data source to a data recipient using electronic media. As for data transmission, there are several important parts contained in it, namely signal and modulation, data transmission direction, and data transmission mode. Signal and modulation are electronic waves that are used to transmit data or information from one place to another. There are two types of signal, namely digital signal and analog signals. Meanwhile, modulation is the joining of data signals and carrier signal to transmit information with the aim of efficiency and minimizing noise.
Research method. In conduction this research, the waiter use waterfall mode. Figure 1. Image of SDLC method waterfall mode. Object of research. The author make supermarket the object of research because this author see the cashier in supermarket at this time still use the manual method. As a medium of transaction, supermarket must adapt in order to maintain the business they have built, especially in this digital era. Therefore, this is necessary too. have a digital-based cashier system as well as SWOT analysis of an ongoing program. The following is SWOT analysis of manual cashier system running in a supermarket. Strength is easy to know the stock of good this will enter and leave. Did easy to find out the total sales, more time efficient. Weakness, program storage capacity is limited. Available feature cannot be upgraded. Requires extra understanding of technology, either for user or customer. Opportunities, strength, competitiveness at the all digital era. Threat, there was a hacker attack.
Okay, back again with me, Nicholas, and I will continue the explanation. So in the old system, customers will need to be in line to wait for the cashier to scan their groceries. But in the new system, they will have a shorter transaction. Customer will only need to place their groceries in a machine, and the machine will automatically scan the groceries, and the customer will need to pay as usual. Take a look at this flowchart of the new system. User here is the owner of supermarket. They buy the machine and the system, and then they install it in their supermarket. That's only the short concept. And for the system itself, the customer input their groceries, and then it scan for the total price. After they finish scanning, the system will total the price, calculate the price with artificial intelligence, and then they will show the output, which is the one the customer need to pay. For a further explanation, take a look at this use case. So this is an inspector. After a supermarket owner buy a system or a machine, this inspector will take a look at their business, and then the inspector will approve whether it is suitable or not for the new system. After it was approved, the owner will install the system and the machine, and then they will register, and after register they have the access to the system, which they can input item, add item, and edit item. For the customer, they buy something, they put the groceries in the machine, and the machine will scan the groceries. After it finishes scanning, it will total the price, and after that, finalizing, which is showing the total price so that the customer will know how much he or she will pay. And then check out, final step of the transaction, which is the customer pay for the groceries. And from this form, the customer will have the access to cancel anytime. To further describe the system, take a look at this new design of the machine. These two are the possible design of the new machine. These machines are similar to the ones you find in airports. Customer will need to place their groceries here, and it will go inside the machine, and the system will work as it says in the use case and flowchart. These are more designs, the register, the scanning, so the customer can use the QR code. This one is the list of items. List of items for the owner, which they can edit and delete. This one is the total. It is too small, so I will zoom in. So this is the example of the final result. After this, the customer will only need to pay this amount. Input item, and this is the transaction complete. I think that's all from me. Thank you.
After doing the desired result of artificial intelligence for supermarket, it can be consoled that artificial intelligence design is intended for replace manual cashier front in business or supermarket. By using artificial intelligence cashier system, it makes it easy for transaction for occur more quickly. Change the manual cashier process in supermarket to automatic can increase the competitiveness of a business in this digital area.